गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम स्कोलियोडॉन के यूरेनोजेनाइटल सिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। द एक्सक्रीटरी एंड रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम आर सो क्लोजली रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर इन वर्टिब्रेट्स दैट दे आर कंसिडर्ड टुगेदर अंडर द नेम ऑफ यूरेनोजेनाइटल सिस्टम। इन स्कोलियोडॉन द टू सेक्सेस आर सेपरेट, सेक्शुअल डायमोफिज्म अकर्स। तो स्कोलियोडॉन के यूरेनोजेनाइटल सिस्टम में सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे मेल यूरिनोजेनाइटल सिस्टम के बारे में। द किडनी इन द मेल आर ए पेयर ऑफ लॉन्ग स्ट्रैप शेप्ड ग्लैंडुलर स्ट्रक्चर्स situated dorsal to the parietal peritoneum and extend from the roof of the liver in front and right up to the cloacal behind. The kidney extends almost to the entire length of the body cavity. Kidney is mesonephric in origin. Each consists of an anterior slender part called the genital kidney or cranial mesonephros and a posterior thicker part called renal mesonephros और caudal mesonephros. ये आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर, ये मेल यूरिनोजेनाइटल सिस्टम का डायग्राम है. This type of kidney found in Scoliodon is called opisthonephros kidney. The anterior part is called the epididymis and is without excretory tubules and extends forward to the body cavity beneath the peritoneum. The posterior part is the functional excretory organ of the adult Scoliodon. The mesonephros kidney is made up of coiled glandular uriniferous tubules, each consisting of a peritoneal funnel, a Bowman capsule enclosing the glomerulus and a coiled renal tubule, many of which open into a common collecting tubule or ureter, which opens posteriorly into the cloaca through a small urinogenital papilla. The ureter of the Scoliodon is not regarded to be strictly homologous with the ureter of higher vertebrates like reptiles, birds, and mammals, in which the kidney is metanephric. Testes are a pair of elongated structure. Testes elongated structure की form में होती हैं. Seated outside the parietal peritoneum of the abdominal cavity. They are attached to the dorsal body wall by double folds of the peritoneum called mesorrhea and to the cecal gland behind. Each testis is joined at its anterior end with the kidney of its own side by a few minute duct. ये kidney से जुड़ी हुई होती हैं, called vasa efferent, which opens into the greatly coiled Wolffian ducts or vasa deferens. Behind the thicker part of the kidney, the Wolffian duct or vas deferens enlarges so as to form vesicular seminal which serve to store ripe spermatozoa in the breeding season. The two vesicular seminalis open posteriorly into a large triangular chamber called urinogenital sinus, which opens into the cloaca on an elevated outgrowth called the urogenital papilla. On either side of the urinogenital sinus is situated a club-shaped sperm sac. Siphons are a pair of long glandular sacs found in the male only, situated beneath the skin of the ventral surface of the body. These sacs run anteriorly up to the level of pectoral fins, where they terminate blindly. Posteriorly, these sacs are continued as siphon tubes which open into the groove of claspers. During copulation, the male Scoliodon transfers its spermatozoa to the female by inserting its claspers into cloaca of female. अब हम आते हैं फीमेल यूरिनोजेनाइटल सिस्टम पर. In the female, there is no direct connection between the kidneys and the genital organs. Females में कोई किडनी और जेनाइटल ऑर्गन्स के बीच में डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन नहीं होता है. The anterior part of each kidney extremely reduced to a long, narrow strand extending forward, while the posterior region of the kidney is thick and massive as in male and extends posteriorly up to the cloaca. In the female, the Wolffian duct is completely absent. Ureters are long, thin-walled tubes which are formed by the union of collecting ducts of mesonephric tubules. ये फीमेल यूरिनोजेनिटल सिस्टम का डायग्राम है जो आपको यहाँ पर दिखाई दे रहा है. They unite posteriorly to open into single median urinary aperture into the cloaca through a pore situated at the top of the urinary papilla. Ovaries are paired and situated on either side of the vertebral column behind the base of the liver. Each ovary is suspended by a double fold of peritoneum called mesovarium. The form and the size of the ovaries vary according to the shark. During the breeding season, the mature ova enclosed in the follicle cell project out of ovary. Between the ovary in front and the cecal gland behind extends a long tubular strand of tissue called the epigonal organ. The oviduct or Mullian ducts are independent ducts having no connection with the kidneys. Both these independent ducts having no connection with the kidneys. Both these ducts originate from the pericardia, peritoneal septum or septum transversum in the mid-dorsal line near the base of the liver in front of the ovaries. Both the anterior end of the oviduct meet to form a longitudinal slit called oviductal funnel. The mature ova from the ovaries are at first shed into the abdominal cavity, from where they are forced into the oviducal funnel by the action of the body muscle. Just behind funnel, oviducts curve around towards the mid-dorsal line till each enlarges of form a shell gland, which is simply a dilated part of each oviduct. The fertilization of the mature egg takes place in the part of the oviduct between the oviductal funnel and the shell gland. In Scoliodon, shell glands are also dwindles down and it is a viviparous form which give birth to living young ones. In the posterior region, each oviduct expands into a uterus in which embryo develops. The two uteri unite to form a vagina which opens into the cloaca by a large medium aperture. तो ये था फीमेल यूरिनोजेनिटल सिस्टम. तो आज हमने मेल एंड फीमेल यूरिनोजेनिटल सिस्टम ऑफ स्कोलियोडॉन के बारे में पढ़ा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.